Welcome again. In this example, we would like to show you how you can use HoloLens to visualize installation of pipes underground. We use HoloLens to make this 3D scan and put the pipes in the correct position. You will see how it works. First, we need to calibrate the space on the map, where exactly we are. The GPS position, if HoloLens would support it directly, is not good enough. We are talking about the accuracy of 10 to 20 centimeters maximum. We are talking here about all directions. Therefore, we use two QR codes, which we put on one line but in the distance of at least 50 centimeters between. This will give us the position and the correct rotation. We have been experimenting with a lot of methods powered by OpenCV, but without the expected level of accuracy. After the calibration, you see the whole environment with the pipes and installation. To get a 3D scan with position of characteristic points, we use our app for HoloLens called SpaceCatcher. In the current version 2.5, the app is supporting RGB texture. We scan the front end with HoloLens and then we add the textures of 22 pictures. For the pictures, we use the most significant points: rain drains, sewage pipes, entries, etc. This allows us to accurately position the pipes, where the fresh water is coming, where the fountain water is circulating. The SpaceCatcher app makes the texture of full images. You can use the images for documentation as well. We don't cut the images. The problem which we are facing is to show something below the ground on the ground. The brain is trying to understand it. It works good for a short distance, but if something is more than 3 meters away, it doesn't work properly. If you move, the information is correct for all narrower objects. We are still experimenting with ideas how to visualize the pipes with auto-occlusion. One of the ideas is to show kind of mesh on the ground and show the lines between the pipes and the surface. Also working with transparency effects and so on. As an engineer, you can plan very precisely your work, adding annotation in 3D and find the best place for a new installation, or how to repair a current problem. See you next time.